everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ananya Jain. So since it's already December, for me it's the Christmas month, and I don't know, I just like this day a lot and I'm always very excited for this time of the year. It's time for us to DIY some very exciting things together. So in this video we are going to DIY some very attractive Christmas tree ornaments together. So let's get started, but before you skip ahead, अगर आपने अभी भी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ क्लिक द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड ऑल्सो द बेल आइकन, क्योंकि आने वाली कुछ वीडियोस बहुत ही क्रिसमसी होने वाली हैं एंड आई जस्ट डोंट वांट कि आप लोग वो वीडियोस मिस करें.
So for the materials required, you'll need some foam glittered sheet, a pencil and a scale for drawing and measurements, a scissors for cutting, and a glue gun for pasting the glittered sheets together. For the project 1, we are going to make something like this today, and if at all you're thinking that it's really difficult, let me assure you that it's absolutely not difficult. Take a 10 by 10 centimeter square sheet and with the help of a scale, mark a 1 centimeter line on the top. You can totally change the color combination as per your choice. Here I'm using a magenta and a silver color combination. Fold it like this and attach it with a clip so that it's secured in one place. After that, with the help of a scissors, make cuts like this only till the 1 centimeter line and not beyond that. While you're making the cuts, just make sure that all of them are of approximately equal size and ऐसा नहीं हो कि कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा thick हो जाए, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा thin हो जाए. Keep making the cuts till the end of the strip. And once you're done with that, place your sheet like this. Take another strip of 2 by 11 centimeter and paste it on the previous sheet like this. Here you can notice कि हमने दोनों की glittered sides opposite side रखी हैं and not on the same side. After that, apply the glue gun as shown in the video and keeping the glittered side outside, stick it like this. Just be very careful while using the glue gun because it is hot and it might burn your finger, so be very careful while using it. We are done with this. After that, we are going to turn it into the shape of a circle and stick the edges as well. Give it a shape of a circle and adjust the shape. Then take a 6 by 6 centimeter square of another color. Here we are going to make a small bow. For making the bow, follow the steps very carefully as shown in the video. It's super easy to make. Just follow them very carefully, and if you feel that you need to slow down the video, then you can do that as well. Make 4 cuts like this, leaving the center attached. Then take one of the triangles, apply some glue gun in the center and stick the 2 corners of the triangle like this. We're going to repeat the same process on the other side as well. Do the cuttings exactly as shown in the video. Also, just a heads up that you might think that it's really difficult to stick the sheets using the glue gun. Initially it might be a little difficult, but very soon you'll get the hang of it. So don't worry, you can very easily stick it using the glue gun. Now paste this part as shown in the video exactly here and this part exactly here. And guys, you are done. This looks absolutely gorgeous. After that, take a 1.5 by 8 centimeter strip. Take a very thin strand of silver colored strip like this to make the hanging. Stick it over here. After that, apply a good amount of glue gun over here, good amount of glue, and roll it like this. Stick this hanging over here on the top of it. After that, adjust the spirals a bit and attach the bow. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure you guys are loving it and you are definitely going to try it. For the second project, here I'm taking a green and a pink colored sheet. Again, you can take your choice of color. Take a 5 by 5 centimeter square and a 1 by 5 centimeter strip. Attach both of them together. Here you can notice दोनों का glittered side एक ही तरफ है. Now make a cylindrical sort of shape by attaching the two sides of the square sheet. Take two circles like this and stick them over here. We're done. After that, cut out 1 by 9.5 centimeter strips, which are 18 strips, 9 of each color. Take one of the strips and mark a 1.5 centimeter mark on both the sides and simply cut them like this. So basically we are making the edges of the strips a little pointed. Do that for all the green colored strips, and after that for the pink colored strips as well. Here we are done with that. Now take the cylinder that we have made and watch the video very carefully here. Stick all of these strips like this. Be very careful while you are doing this, and if you are young, then I would request you to please take help from somebody elder to you. So once we are done with the green strips, we are going to repeat the same thing for the pink strips as well. Stick all the 9 strips as shown in the video. And we are done. One thing that you need to keep in mind is please stick them alternatively, जैसे कि 2 green के बीच में एक pink, another 2 green strips के बीच में एक pink. After that, what we are going to do is simply stick the other end of the green strip like this. And we'll be doing it for all the green strips. And we are done. And similarly, we are going to do the same thing for the pink strips as well, so that we have a ball-like shape with us. And that's how you're going to do it. You'll get a ball like this. I already love it. Then you're going to take a 2 by 7 centimeter strip. Stick it as shown in the video. Take another thin strand like this, make the hanging. Repeat the process as we did in the previous project. Once done with this, just stick this on top of the ball like this. And we are done, guys. This is my favorite of all the 3 DIYs. Let me know yours favorite in the comment section as well. For the third project, we are going to make something like this. This is a sort of a bell, but it has a touch of quilling. So first we take 1 by 30 centimeter strip and take 3 strips like this. Also 1 by 5 centimeter 2 strips of another color. Now take a very thin strand again to make the hanging and stick it on one of the strips like this. Roll the strip as we did in the previous 2 projects as well. The process is quite similar, so it's not really difficult. You just need to know it for once, and I'm sure आप लोग को बहुत आसानी से आ जाएगा. Once you're done with both the strips, take a 30 centimeter strip and attach the two like this. Apply good amount of glue gun and start rolling it. यहाँ पर एक चीज़ ध्यान देनी है कि आपको एंटायरली ओवरलैप नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा ऊपर से पार्ट छोड़ते रहना है सो दैट इट लुक्स लाइक अ बेल इन द एंड. एज यू कैन सी मैं एग्जैक्टली ओवरलैप नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम लीविंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्पेस लाइक दिस. Roll, 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 roll. Keep doing it. And once you're done, you're going to attach another strip. So watch it carefully how you have to attach another strip. Simply apply glue gun like this and place the strip like this. Press it a little bit so that it's intact, and then repeat the same process. If you want to make a bigger bell, you can add as many strips as you want. Here I've used 3 glittered strips. You can reduce it to 2 also. You can increase the number to 4 also. It's totally your choice. And in the end जो extra part है उसको आपको cut कर देना है. Then I'm taking this 3 by 5 by 3 by 5 centimeter square. And again we are going to make a bow, but it is a little smaller in size. So the process remains exactly the same. अगर आपको कोई भी डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है इसमें, यू कैन स्लो डाउन द वीडियो एंड वॉच द पार्ट अगेन. इट्स अ लिटिल स्मॉलर इन साइज बट इट्स नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट. So once you're done making the bow, you simply attach it on top of the bell like this. And it's ready, guys. I absolutely love it. These look like small dolls also. So please let me know your favorite one.
So I really hope that you liked all the DIYs that we made in this video. If yes, hit the like button, and if you try any one of these or all of them at home, please let me know in the comment section. Share it to as many people as possible. और अगर आपने अभी भी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end.